Fable, the world's first educational robot, enabling you to solve real-world challenges while being fun and easy to use. You can make it crawl, make it walk, or why not build your own dog? Anyone from 8 years of age and up can learn to build and program Fable robots. The Fable system is made from robust, easy-to-use modules that students can assemble in seconds. Students learn to code using simple Blockly or advanced text programming with a PC or tablet. Fable can also be used to teach math, physics, innovation, to help students learn to create and master technology. The Fable app gives the robot social skills, speech, and emotions. You can use Fable in vocational training, high schools, colleges. With a webcam, you can program Fable to sort objects based on color. Or to respond to movement in a room. To go into action. Fable is open-ended, so you can use your own 3D printed parts too. Or you could just use Lego.
This is good.
At last. What a long day. Tomorrow's a new day making them laugh and learn. Better go find some recharge.